Hello students, I am Vijayata, Assistant Professor from Postgraduate Teaching Department of Law, Nagpur University. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948. In our last video, we have already seen the provisions of Charter of United Nations which reflect human rights directly. In this video, we will be discussing and analyzing the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948, its provision and legal effect of the same. The Charter of the United Nations, which came into force on 24th October 1945. As we have discussed in our last video, that while the Charter was at the drafting stage, some of the states asked for preparation of International Bill of Rights separately, but could not be possible due to short of time. Subsequently, in order to achieve this objective, General Assembly submitted this task or objective to Economic and Social Council in order to prepare the provisions of human rights and fundamental freedoms by the Commission on Human Rights. In January 1947, the Commission appointed drafting committee to achieve this objective. The first session was held in the month of January 1947, where they prepared preliminary draft of an International Bill of Rights. In the second session, which was held in December 1947, the Commission considered the draft and realized that there are differences of opinion about its content. So the Human Rights Commission prepared the three documents which form the International Bill of Human Rights. These three documents are International Declaration on Human Rights, International Covenant on Human Rights, and measures of implementation. For this, Human Rights Commission appointed 3 working groups. They were given the task to prepare draft document on the above 3 topics. The working group prepared the report and submitted it to the Human Rights Commission. Then the Commission forwarded it to the government of the member states of the UN for their comments. Second session of the drafting committee was held in the year 1948. In this session, the committee considered the comments of the government. After that, drafting committee redrafted the entire draft declaration and submitted again to the Human Rights Commission. Due to lack of time, the draft of International Covenant on Human Rights could not be completed. Coming to the third topic, that is the measures of implementation, which could not be considered as a whole. The third session of Human Rights Commission was held in June 1948, where the report of the drafting committee were considered along with the draft declaration. Finally, the Commission submitted it to the Economic and Social Council without a vote. Then the Council submitted to the General Assembly. This shows that there is a reverse procedure, went again from down to up. That is again going to the General Assembly. Then General Assembly referred the draft to the third committee for its consideration and examination. After that, on 10th December 1948, through a resolution known as Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted. The resolution was adopted by 48 votes without dissent. 8 states abstained at the time of voting. The states were Belarusian, Poland, Saudi Arabia, Ukraine, USSR, Union of South Africa, and Yugoslavia. Well, in the next video, we are going to see the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and we will analyze its provision and its legal effect. Thank you.